right now on Chronicle in High Definition.
Good evening. Well, it may have been frightfully entertaining in the hands of Alfred Hitchcock, but in actuality, vertigo is a distressing condition that can strike at any time, and it can return stubbornly for as long as years.
In fact, many who suffer simply resign themselves to the condition. But effective treatment is out there, as Ted Reinstein reports.
Everything just started to spin really bad, and I couldn't balance.
I was walking through the hallway, and all of a sudden it felt like the floor had dropped out from underneath me.
Marilee Wright, Arthur Mungeon, and Priscilla Gainey all suffer from the debilitating symptoms of vertigo. Marilee Wright found nothing but frustration with her vertigo.
Each time I went to a different specialist, they had another specialist to go to. And I had every scan you can think of to check every fluid in my body to make sure that I was okay, and I was perfect. I said, okay, what is it? I was teaching at the time. I loved my job. I loved teaching, and I lost my job.
Marilee turned to Dr. Bob Jackson, a chiropractor, for help.
Most of the people I get are what I call medical rejects, and they're always told there's nothing wrong with you. The first thing I have to do is determine why they have their vertigo. There's two basic categories. One is mechanical problem, and most of those people have had some kind of a physical trauma. So something in that trauma actually disturbs the function of the neck.
For me, it was my neck. What it did was basically push it back into place. I was in shock, basically, because I am the biggest skeptic you'll ever meet when it comes to alternative therapies. And now I've definitely changed my mind. To get me walking again, it took 4 sessions.
Arthur Mungeon's vertigo was not caused by a physical problem.
Yeah, Arthur Mungeon is the other kind of vertigo patient. It turns out every one of these persons would have a high load of toxins.
He found out that I was full of metals, aluminum, lead. I work as a mechanic, so I'm constantly around it. And my immune system was low.
To get rid of the toxins and recharge his immune system, Dr. Jackson put Arthur on a diet.
You don't have much in the way of symptoms, but you still have the lead in your body, so we need to get that out of there. Yeah. It's a low-carb diet, high-fat diet. Yeah. It has to do with inflammation. It's the kind of diet that symptoms are mostly there because of something's inflamed.
It's great. I never felt better.
Dr. Jackson says if his patients follow his advice, 80 to 90% see their vertigo vanish.
Usually when they come in, I tell them up front, I say what I do is a little bit, it looks strange, it looks like it's magic. They almost, to the person, say, well, I don't care if it looks strange as long as it helps me. Okay, let's check your selenium reflux.
And Dr. Jackson's patients swear by the treatment and the diet and say that they have more energy and they feel better, and the effects continue to have lost that vertigo.
In fact, Arthur said he also lost 20 pounds, which was a nice little side benefit.
All be on that
as well.